Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep Solanki. This chair which is there can be very beneficial, not only to sit but also to stretch. And most of the time when we work on the chair, all the time we are leaning forward. We have to lean forward in the right way, bending forward in the right way, because that not only keeps the alignment of the spine but also can bring a nice stretch in the legs. And that's the reason why in this particular video we are going to see a forward bend. So we are going to bend forward. Now how to bend forward? Mostly when people bend forward, they will usually round the spine. That's not what we want. We want to bend forward, keeping the back straighter, keeping the pelvis neutral so that we can lean forward with a straight back. So for that, I'm going to stand a little behind. After standing little behind with feet little apart, I'm going to place both my hand like this, but I'm not going to round the spine. Remember that is very crucial. I will keep my back straighter. Can you see my back straight? If it's arching too much, I will just pull the navel button a little inside and I will lean forward. Make sure there is space for the head to go down. If not, move the chair a little forward and then stretch it like this. Keep the back as straight as you can and just breathe here for some time. At no point of time I'm rounding. Once again I'm repeating this. I'm keeping the back straight by keeping the head neutral. I'm releasing this hand so that you can see my head is neutral and I'm going forward. If I'm able to come forward, maintain this, but don't let the spine round. Just keep on keeping the back straight and coming forward. Remain here for some time and then after about 3 breaths, slowly keeping the back straight, come back. Remember, when you do this, no rounding. Keeping your back straight, maybe a little anterior tilt initially to keep the back straight and then go down. Lengthen your spine. Feel as if you're lengthening your spine, not rounding to come down. Our purpose is not to bring the forehead to the knee. Our purpose is to keep the back straighter, because this is how the stretch in the spine and the hamstrings can come. Initially, when you do this, you will find the spine rounds. Remind yourself to keep it straight. Sometimes the final goal is very important, to bring the forehead to the knee, but not at the cost of the spine. We want the spine to remain straight. And that's the reason why in this particular forward bend chair stretch, make sure that your spine remains straight. Not too much this much arch, not too much rounding. Both are avoided, keeping the spine nice, long and straight. Friends, do keep on tuning to our series of chair yoga. There are a few more videos to come. If you like our videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, doubts, please do write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you so much. Namaste.